Hello my YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about continue installation without flash settings from Roblox error fix. So let's dive into the video without wasting any time. Here you can see that if you get this error, you have to go to your browser on your laptops and you have to search for roblox.com/download. Simply type this in your browser and then you have to simply come over here and download the Roblox app over here by going back, and here you have to click this Roblox over here, and then once you're over here you have to simply click this download Windows app. And once this is downloaded, here you can see that you have to simply save it into your desktop, and then you have to go to your download section over here and click show in folder, and here you have to simply run this installer. Now you can try reinstalling your Roblox and that would fix the issue, but you can also just delete the app and download it again, and then you can just run this installer and that's going to solve the issue for you. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.